Teambuildr training app walkthrough. We're going to start at our dashboard here where you can see today's workout and a calendar down at the bottom. Red workouts have not yet been completed, orange workouts have been partially completed, and green workouts have been fully completed. Top left corner, these three lines, you have a journal which shows your previous journal entries in your workouts, maxes and PRs which are calculated from your data, documents and links that I upload for you to view, your wearable dashboard that'll look at your data from your Apple Watch or other wearable during your workout, a large calendar, as well as settings where I recommend leaving push notifications turned on. On your dashboard at the bottom, you also have a leaderboard, as well as a messaging feature to send messages back and forth with me. We'll go ahead and click on today's workout and start from the top. First thing you have is a daily gains check. This is a questionnaire. That's going to be qualitative questions about your sleep, recovery, nutrition, and how you're feeling. Please be sure to answer these questions to the best of your ability so I can tailor your programming to match your needs. We then have a body weight check. Let's say my body weight is 205 pounds. I do want to make sure that we wear the same clothing every time that we take our body weight, and it does not matter if you take your weight before or after your workout. Hit confirm. We hit the X to go back. Now we're going to start with our upper body warm-up. We click this here. We have a text description in the middle. We hit the I at the bottom. There can be some more descriptions down here, as well as a video to look at the top, where it does have captions in the video. Once you complete this, we hit the X to go back. Then we get started with our first exercise. Since we just have one A exercise, we're just completing this single exercise with rest time in between. So we look at the dumbbell single arm row knee on bench. We have our text description here in the middle for any additional notes. Bottom left I is going to show additional notes as well. And in the bottom right corner, you can see your previous weights used as well as your journal entries. What I'm going to do here on this first set, let's say I chose a 50-pound dumbbell. When I only got 10 reps, it was pretty heavy. I'm actually going to go lighter and do a 45-pound dumbbell. Maybe I got 12 reps here. That was pretty easy. I'm going to go in between and do 47.5. And then here, maybe I got 11 reps and enter that in as done. Let's take a note. Maybe my knee hurt on that exercise. Any note is okay. Please provide as much information as possible. Again, I can see all these notes. We hit the check mark. Then we can click on the media button to add a video of your set. Ideally, take a video of your top, heaviest, hardest set of that exercise, where I can then provide you form feedback and tips. After that, hit the X. Then we go on to our Bs. We have mid-shin side step-ups and wide pronated lat pull-downs. Since these two exercises are paired up, we're going to do one set of the step up and then one set of the pronated lat pull down. We go back and forth for 3 total sets of each. We hit our first one. We could check any previous weights we've done previously. We can look at any additional information in the bottom left corner by clicking the I. Again, we have contextual cues for here using a box at shin height. 2 kettlebells are okay instead of dumbbells, and a 3 count down slow. You can check out the video demonstration as well. Let's enter in our weights. We start with 60s. It was really heavy, only got 8. Have to go down quite a bit. Use 50s. Got 12. It actually felt pretty easy this time. Maybe I warmed up a bit better. So we go up to 55s and get 10. Again, we're looking to hit technical failure ideally in that rep range. If you only get the bottom end of the rep range, we recommend decreasing weight. If you hit the top end, we recommend increasing weight. We hit the X to go back. For recording the weights for a wide pronated lat pull down, let's say this exercise, you did not have the handle available whatsoever in your gym. All of it was taken and you couldn't do it. So we hit the opt out button. Reason, lack of equipment. And here you can substitute another exercise that is very similar. I have relationships set up in this program to where there can be substituted exercises. So we click on the ring pull up instead, saying no handle was available. And we hit confirm. This should then replace that with the ring pull-up exercise for the same weight and reps. So we would then go down here and complete all of these exercises. One to note in the cable-seated face pull is descending reps, meaning your weight should get heavier each time. So 20 pounds for 15, we went up. We got 25 for 12. We got 30 for 10, and 35 for 8. We hit the X to go back. There might be notes. This note here says using an adjustable bench for the next 2 exercises. We have our seated lateral raise. On this one, our last set is 20 reps, which is heavier than the previous 3 sets of 10. So maybe we got 12 for 10, 15 for 10, and then 20 for 10. If I feel like I could get it, I'm going to take that same 20 pounds or 15 pounds and try to get 20 reps with that weight. Maybe we got 15 for 20 here and hit the X. We call that a back off set. One more thing on the dumbbell low incline tricep extension. Our last set is as many reps as possible. So for this one, generally just take a weight from your second set. Let's say we got 25 pounds for 10 reps. I'm going to take that same weight and try to get as many as I can. Let's say we got 15 for as many as possible. Hit the X, go back. There can sometimes be sections of your workout. Here is a cardio and questionnaire section. I got 20 minutes on the Stairmaster, and then lastly, another questionnaire just to rate my workout and how it went when I'm finished. After that, to hit the X, we want to make sure that everything is filled out. Once we do, the workout should turn green and you are good to go. Again, as always, feel free to reach out with questions. Thank you.